This is my drawing of Santa Snoopy, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Now for today's drawing, I'm going to start by drawing in the hat and then layer the head in behind. So to start at the very top, we're going to flop the hat coming down. So right up here, we're going to bend this across towards the left and then down towards the bottom. Now right here, we're going to draw a large circle for that pom-pom, going all the way around and then back up. Let's go back up to the top from this line. I'm going to step down, add the hat brim. I want to bend this up and then over towards the right. Let's round out the edge. Now I'm going to draw that same curve coming back in and then down towards that fold. On the top right side of the hat brim, we're going to bend the hat going up and then out. Let's dip this down and then back up. Let's round out the end, come all the way around. I just want to taper this in towards that ball. Now with the hat in place, let's layer the head in behind. Underneath the hat brim, we're going to step down and draw two ovals. So start with the one on the left, going around the eye and then back up. And we'll fill the eye in black. Now let's leave a gap. We're going to draw that same size oval directly on the right side and then fill that in black. Let's move up to the top. We're going to add two curves going up and then in for the eyebrows. Now from this eye, we're going to step down, move over towards the right. We're going to draw an oval going across for the nose. And this is going to be slightly bigger than the eyes. And then we want to fill that in black. Now we're going to go back up to the hat. We're going to draw the edge of the head. From here, step over, bend this down and then out. Just going to round out the muzzle. Come around and then in towards the bottom of the head. Now I just want to curl this up towards the mouth. So we're going to blend this into the mouth, across, and we'll curl that up, and add a small bracket on the ends. Now let's go all the way back over towards the right side. We're going to add a split, going across the muzzle and then up. Now on the left side, we're going to draw an ear underneath the hat. Start with a curve coming down and then out. Step down, draw another curve going around. Now we're not going to go all the way up towards the top. Let's fill the inside of the ear in black. Let's go underneath the mouth. We're going to add a curve for the chin, going in and then down towards the neck. Let's go up underneath the ear, bend this down and in, and then down towards the collar. Let's layer the collar on top. We're going to step over, bend this in, and then down. Let's wrap the collar around the neck. We're going to step up on the left side, go around, come in towards the right, and then back up underneath the head. Let's draw on that left arm. Underneath the collar, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Round up the cuff and bend that back up towards the top. And separate the cuff with another curve. Over on the left side of the cuff, we're going to draw on that first finger, going around and then up, step down, add a second finger, and then a third finger going up underneath the sleeve. Now let's go back over towards the right side of the collar. We're going to curve the body going out and all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go underneath the hand, bend the back of the body, close off the bottom with a curve. Now I want to step up and draw another curve for that trim. Over on the right side of the body, we're going to add the buckle. Come in, down, and then out like a rectangle. Let's trace this along the inside. And we'll fill that center rectangle in black. Now I want to continue the belt from this top corner of the buckle, step down, bend this out towards the arm, step up from the bottom, do the same thing, and then again, fill the belt in black. Now along the top of the body, we're going to add two circles for the buttons. Now with the body in place, let's tuck the legs in underneath. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down, round out the heel, come across the bottom of the foot, now go straight across towards the outside of the foot. Round this out, pull this in towards the ankle, and then up underneath the body. Now I want to draw that same leg on the right side. So we go in between, start with a straight line coming down, go to the bottom, go straight out, round up the foot, come towards the inside, and pull that straight up underneath. On the top right side of the body, we're going to have the hand holding that large Santa bag. So let's start with the first finger. We'll start with the oval coming in towards the collar, and then back out in an angle. Along the top, add another one, just tucking in those two last fingers in behind. Let's draw the end of the bag. Coming down from the finger, go out along the top, and we'll connect the ends with a wave, going around, and then up, and then in the center, we'll add a fold. Now in this little area, I'm just going to add a small curve for the thumb. Let's go back underneath, add the arm coming around, and then up. Let's go back to the top finger. We're going to curve the bag going up, go around from the back of the neck, in behind. Now we're going to continue around the bottom of the bag and then up underneath the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Santa Snoopy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.